there's something else called the attenuation of oh, questions? Feel the buzz of energy.
This is fun.
Yeah. Well, you know, okay, yes, I know I'm warped in my head, but the fact that we start out with a big complex thing and come down with something that's relatively simple, that, to me, there's something cool about that.
It's very cool.
And the fact that it actually matches experiment, even better. All right, there's something known as attenuation of X-rays. That also, classical physics makes a bad prediction. Something with specific heat of solids. Also, classical does not predict well. And then spectral lines. So this is going to lead into Bohr atom. We also have, well, let's do the conceptual aspect. We know that if I take a charge and I move it, that I'm going to create electromagnetic radiation. If I'm creating electromagnetic radiation, the charge loses energy because energy goes into the light. So if I have my nucleus here and I have an electron that's zipping around, well, that electron is constantly moving. Because the electron's constantly moving, it's giving off electromagnetic radiation. If it's giving off electromagnetic radiation, the electron is losing energy. So what should the electron be doing?
Wait, can you re-say that?
All right, the electron is constantly moving. It is a charge constantly moving. Because it's constantly moving, it's giving off electromagnetic radiation. If it's giving off electromagnetic radiation, the electron's losing the energy. If the electron's losing the energy, what must be happening?
It's slowing down.
Or
It's cooling down. I don't know.
Losing momentum.
Something.
what I'm thinking physically, okay, it could be slowing down, or there are two types of energy you can be losing.
It's losing potential energy?
Yeah. So what actually, based on classical physics, what should be happening is the electron should be spiraling inwards. According to classical physics, all the electrons should have collapsed into the nucleus long ago. Matter of fact, they should, I'm going to go off memory on this one, on the order of tenths of a microsecond. It would take for the electron to lose enough energy for it to go spiraling into the nucleus. That doesn't happen. Or the chemistry people have been lying to you all this time.
Probably.
Yeah.
Wait.
I like chemistry.
So it's going to take the next great leap to figure out why not. Now, this is when Niels Bohr makes his appearance. There have been two father-son pairs who have won Nobel Prizes in physics. The first pair, I think it was just the dad did it and brought the son tagged along. In the second case, Niels Bohr and Aj Bohr, AAGE, father-son, they worked separately. It was not biting on the coattails of the father. But anyway, this is Niels Bohr, the first one. One of 8 of Rutherford's grad students who ended up getting Nobel Prizes. Rutherford, who produced so many students who got Nobel Prizes in physics, yet Rutherford never got one in physics. He got one in chemistry. Because that was the point at which chemistry and physics split. But Rutherford, it was Rutherford who said, all science is either stamp collecting or physics.
Yeah.
And I will leave you on that cheery note.